In today's video, you'll learn why you should burn rosemary. You know those days when you just want to come home, kick off your shoes, take a shower, and relax? Did you know that rosemary can help you relax better and faster? Rosemary has many medicinal uses and properties. Most commonly, it's used in herbal teas to relieve headaches, improve blood circulation, and as a natural anti-inflammatory. In this video, we'll show you how to properly prepare rosemary tea, so stay tuned. According to ancient lore, rosemary can also help with discouragement, sadness, and low spiritual energy. What not many people know is that you can burn rosemary to reap its benefits. It cleanses your energies, removes emotional impurities, restores your inner peace, and balances your vital energy. It helps renew your body and mind, bringing more health and energy into your daily life. You can also reap these benefits by adding a few drops of rosemary essential oil to an aromatherapy diffuser. If you don't have a diffuser or want to know how to buy a good essential oil, we've selected some good options for you. You can find the links in the description of this video. Now tell us, do you like rosemary? Burning rosemary is easy. Put the rosemary on a plate and let it burn. The smoke of rosemary helps us to become calmer. When we breathe it in, we feel a sense of peace because the fragrance acts in the mind as a natural tranquilizer, driving away turbulent and negative thoughts. Amazing, isn't it? To make rosemary tea, you need a teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves and a glass of water. Bring the water to a boil, add the rosemary and let it steep, covered, for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain it, let it cool a bit, and drink it unsweetened 3 to 4 times a day. Rosemary tea is considered safe, but excessive consumption can cause nausea and vomiting. Also, it shouldn't be drunk by children under 5 years of age, pregnant or nursing women.